All right, guys. So in this weekly webinar, we will mainly focus on live question answers because in a recent week, you have watched latest content. Okay, I think you have some queries regarding uh, structure, liquidity, and some maybe others query. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. Okay, so who wanna first one ask? So, all right. So, who wanna ask first question? Then we can continue.
Hey, Colin, mine is more so on time frame correlation. I know we haven't gone over that yet. But I guess I'll just wait till the end until, you know.
Okay. A related time frame correlation.
Yeah.
Okay. You mean like multiple time frame analysis, correct?
Correct. So the 1 hour I use for my higher time frame. And then the 1 minute is my entry time frame. So I guess from the 1 hour to the 1 minute and the 5 minute, 15 minute, how do I go down from there on?
Okay. Actually, I will make a specific video about multiple time frame analysis. Probably tomorrow or maybe on a Monday will be uploaded on a Discord.
Okay.
But I will give you some example that how we can use it on multiple time frame analysis. First thing is everyone is here a day trader mostly because we are trading based on the lower time frame entries, and so you have to understand that what is major structure and minor structure in a how we can identify it, correct? So first of all, which time frame is higher time frame as per the day trader, as a day trader, correct? So you have to must go in at least 15 minute actually, and some people mark this as a 4 hour daily, correct? But in a 4 hour and daily time frame, 1 minute structure can't decide the 4 hour move and daily move. So 15 minute and you can go like 1 hour. 1 hour is very fine to mark as a higher time frame structure. But I will suggest you in a starting, you can go 1 hour. Then after taking some time, you can switch into the 15 minute as a major structure. You can also watch the 4 hour, 1 hour as per the higher time frame to view higher time frame perspective. But in a medium time frame, as a day trader, you have to mark 15-minute structure. First, mark the 15-minute structure, then switch into the 15-minute like this. I'm showing you exactly. For example, market momentum is a bullish, correct? So market momentum is a bullish, market must be taken out the first low, and then you are willing to go higher. Then again, market with something like this, correct? So in this case, market is a bullish, and you have to understand where is our trade going on in a 15 minute. Actually, I personally use 15 minute as a major structure because in a daily, as a day trader, we don't need to wait for the 4 hour mitigation, then switch into the 15 minute, then wait for the 15 minute, tap on the order block, and then again wait for the lower time frame confirmation. This is a long process, correct? So we can't wait till like 2 days, maybe it's take a 2 days, sometime it's take a 1 day and 2 day, okay? But we can trade as a day trader, you have to mark only 15-minute high or low like this, correct? So this situation like 2-3 moves maybe happen in a day in a 15 minute. So once market, for example here, market break this low, market after taking out this low, market will be go higher. So you have to wait for here to mitigate something here in a left side, and you can switch into the 1 minute, correct? And then you can continue. And when you catch this move, you can stack multiple up entry here in a 1 minute and 5 minute to go higher. Okay, you don't need to trade only one trade. Once you know where is trend going on, you can multiple stack position in a continuation to the upside, correct? Once market taken out the external liquidity, you can again switch into the apply the anti type 2. Okay, if market sweep this high, then anti type apply anti type 3, and then you can continue sell for the short term, because market is a bullish. You have to apply the like this, and then again continue higher, and same thing apply here. So this thing happen every day in every, like both type of trend, like bullish and bearish, correct? Okay.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, thank you. So next question, wanna ask next question?
सर ये आपने जो वीडियोस कंटेंट चैप्टर में सर 3 चैप्टर में सर आपने सिंगल लेग वाला बताया था, जो फर्स्ट मेरा प्रीवियस हाई था उसको उसको आपने कंसीडर नहीं किया था। 12 मिनट के ड्यूरेशन के आसपास में वो था सर, वो मुझे थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन लगा था सर मुझे वहां पर।
कौन से वीडियो में?
सिंगल
I mean, which video?
सर वो इंडस्ट्रीमेंट एंड इंजीनियरिंग लिक्विडिटी सर।
Okay, I don't know.
ये आपने सिंगल लेग बोल के सर उसने आपने लिया नहीं सर, इन्वेस्टमेंट और वो इंजीनियरिंग लिक्विडिटी।
अभी ऐसे कुछ कोई आइडिया नहीं है। सो अभी कुछ चार्ट वगैरह कुछ दिखता ना, तो देन वी कैन एक्सप्लेन मोर बेटर।
ओके सर, नो वरी सर, मैं आपसे बात करूंगा।
ओके, थैंक यू। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Khan, hello. Can we proceed to make a real trade now on chart analysis right now? We make 1 hour POI, we go to 15 minutes, and we check for liquidity everywhere. Thanks.
Okay. In this point, as you can see here, correct. And as you mentioned that mark the 1 hour POI and then switch into the lower time frame, that how price looks like, correct? Okay, so let me show you first on our drawing. When market in a bearish trend or bullish trend, it's depend on the, so if market is a bearish, correct, and then what happened, market taken out the first inducement, and market no need to wait for the mitigation, as I told you in entry types. Okay, there if market tap here, okay, which is very good, then you can apply entry type 1. If market did not tap here and just simply taken out the previous high, which is inducement, and after taking out the inducement, you can apply here, I'm sorry, you can apply here entry type 2, but price must be close above it. Then you can apply entry type 2. If market did not close above it, just sweep and then push downside, then you have to apply entry type 3, correct? So this is a scenario in a during entry. Okay, so what happened here after taking out this inducement? If price tap here, let's suppose, then you have to wait for the lower time frame. If this is a 1 hour then you have to apply in a 5-minute structure. If this supply zone in a 15-minute, then you have to apply in a 1 minute. Okay, and same thing apply in a 5-minute. If this supply is a 5-minute, then you have to apply in a 1-minute structure, lower time frame. Okay, 5-minute to 15-minute supply zone is a count as a major supply zone. Okay, as a day trader, and in a 1-minute structure is a count as a lower time frame structure. Okay, so one price break this low, minor low. Okay, then don't sell here at this point. Correct. Why? Because market must be taken out the liquidity in a lower time frame also. Price already taken out the higher time frame, liquidity is here because this is a liquidity as a liquidity. Okay, once price type here, price must be taken out this actually high. Once price taken out this high, then we can sell. Correct. So this scenario is become more valid for the sell entry. Correct. And next entry you can take it out after this market taken out this high, and you can take another entry here for sell and again sell multiple entries based on the entry types, as I told you in our videos. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. And the same thing happen here. As you can see here, I'm just showing you some latest example, then you can understand. This low is here. First, you have to mark the correct structure. First, mark the correct structure, then identify the liquidity, and then wait for the trap. Once market trap the buyers, sellers, then you can enter. Because if you entering before the trap, for example here, some people trade based on the pause. Okay, they see market is a bearish, correct, and they anticipating price tap on this supply zone, and everyone looking here for sell. Correct, but this sell is not high probability. This is a bigger, because this order block act like a liquidity inducement. Why? Because everyone selling here and putting the stop loss just above it. Please don't sell here until sweep this high. Once market sweep this high, you can sell here. This area become our high probability. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So same thing happen here. Market break the structure is here, and this one is a called break of structure, and this one is our new lower high. Lower lows, lower high. Break the structure and create a new low when market taken out the first high, which is here. Okay, so this one is our called lower lows. After taking out the first inducement is here, we can sell. And as you can see here, if you notice here, first market taken out this high, and this one is just simply sweep the high. And in this case, you have to apply entry type 3, correct, at this point. And when you take a market, when you take entry after inducement, there is a probability of 50-50%, as I told you, because market can be go lower and can be pushed higher to mitigate something upside as an engineering liquidity. Okay, so we can sell here for the short term, or if market push downside, then we can get a full advantage. Okay, if market give any opportunity here, we can sell because it's fit in our criteria. Okay, now let's switch into the 1 minute to see how price actually react here. If everything looks as per our criteria, then we can sell, otherwise leave it. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, as you can see here, market simply taken out the previous high, just liquidity sweep. And in this case, first entry will be here on the 15-minute because market taken out the liquidity, and next entry is here. Sorry, first entry is here. Once price close below it, we can sell here. Okay, on a next candle. And second entry we can take in a lower time frame, like 1 minute structure. If everything look as per the plan, then we can sell. Let me show you exactly. Yes, we can see here. This was zone in a 15-minute. Let me show you through bar play, then you can understand. Here, I'm talking about this wick, correct? And this wick act as a supply. Why? Because market taken out the liquidity, and this wick act like a supply, and this wick we can use for the sell, correct? So first entry is here and on this supply zone here. Okay, and now switch into the 1 minute to see how price react here. And after taking out this entry, you have to wait for the another entry, but market push downside continue. There is no another scaling entry possible. Okay, so once market break the most recent low, which is here, if market break this low, then we can move our stop loss on a break even, and we can take some partial, correct? So let's see. Okay, so at this point we can take some little bit partial or move our stop loss on a break even, correct? And market wanna go higher because you can see here market taking out this equal low is here, taking out this equal low and tap on this order block, probably on this order flow. Correct, and looking for the bias. Okay, but we are still putting the stop loss on break even because we don't know, maybe market push lower because market taken out the 15-minute inducement. Okay, if market wanna actually go higher, then at least we can move cut on our break even point, correct? Okay, so next question. Who wanna ask next? Yeah.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, you can continue.
Hey, Con, I think a question someone had that I saw in the chat was they were asking, does the inside bar candle, does it count as a pullback as far as it being a higher high or a higher low, or a lower low or a lower high?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Does do you consider inside bar as a low or high? Okay. Actually, main thing is that I did not get your point that what you are. You can say a single chart, then I can understand what you are trying to say. Can you show me some example that then I can explain?
Bro, can you hear me? You can use the indicator is here.
Mm-hmm.
I think inside bar indicator. You can use the indicator. It will show the exact inside bar. Then we can discuss about it, brother.
Okay, inside bar.
Yeah, recently I learned about inside bar. Yeah, this is exact
Okay.
indicator. Yeah, see this exactly. Look down here. Look down. You can see the one inside bar on at the bottom here. See exactly there. Can I use the annotation?
You can, yeah, you can annotate.
Oh, sorry, I can't see the annotations here. Sorry, brother. I told you that I see the bottom of this this down movement here. Exactly here. Where I can say this 1326 at the time frame. Yeah, exactly 1326. The left hand side, brother. I can't see where is here. Got it. Here.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Do you use this as a low or high to confirm this low, brother?
No.
Because
Actually, yeah, actually, this is not low or high. Price must be taken out the low. This is a single move.
All right.
Okay.
But it is 4 minutes, brother. If you go down to 1 minute, you can see like a pullback or something like this. Can I consider this for 1 minute entry or something?
Actually, I will. Okay, you can see in a 1 minute also is a single move. Remember one thing before to mark any structure. First thing is which time frame you are marking. For example, if you marking here in a 5 minute, okay, so you must be taken out the 5 minute high or low. Some people do wrong thing here that they mark this is a M1 as per the M1. This is a confirm high or chalk or boss anything, because if you are seeing this move in a 5 minute, then you have to must taken out this high in a 5 minute. Correct. If you are looking here in a 1 minute, correct, as here, okay, then you can anticipate this move as per the 1 minute time frame structure, and then you can use this high as a 1 minute. Look at here.
Yeah, this is my question, brother. This is I got confused
Okay.
every time.
This one is high, which is taken out, and this low is a confirm, because now we are looking this one as a 1 minute structure. Okay, then what happened? Market taken out this low and then push higher. Okay, this is a trap for the buyers. Everyone buying here on this order block, and they're putting the stop loss just below it, and then market hit the stop loss and go higher. Correct?
Yeah, it's fine. I got it, brother. Got it.
मतलब सर सेम टाइम फ्रेम में देखना है सर दोनों ऊपर और नीचे
बिल्कुल जिस टाइम फ्रेम का भी आप स्ट्रक्चर देख रहे हो उसी टाइम फ्रेम में ही आपको वही सारी कंफर्मेशन चाहिए होती है। ऐसा नहीं कि आप हायर टाइम फ्रेम का देख रहे हो, लोअर टाइम फ्रेम की आप कर रहे हो। मतलब एंट्री क्राइटेरिया पे आप जाकर के लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में ले सकते हो, लेकिन कंफर्मेशन
मतलब सेम रेंज कंसीडर करने के लिए सेम टाइम फ्रेम चाहिए।
बिल्कुल।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर। बैंक निफ्टी फ्यूचर एक बार आप सर ओपन कर सकते हैं क्या? बैंक निफ्टी फ्यूचर सर।
Let's continue, please.
Yeah.
I'm sorry because I don't understand what language you are speaking.
सर आप इंग्लिश में बोल रहे
Just
they're speaking Hindi.
Okay.
I don't know Hindi. I'm from India. I don't know Hindi.
Okay, this one is called.
एक्चुअली सर मेरा क्वेरी इसमें ये था सर कि लास्ट डे जो मेरा फ्राइडे का हुआ था ट्रेडिंग, ये सर उसमें क्या मतलब कैसे इसमें लेते सर इस तरह का रेंज में सर?
First thing, you have to mark the structure. Okay, like you are saying in a Friday. I don't think. Actually, I don't trade it, but it's. Where you taken a trade?
Sir,
in this range.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is actually in a ranging market. Okay, so as you can see here, first you have to mark the structure. So where is the high or low? First is high is here. Correct.
Yes,
and in this case, where is low? If you mark the only 1 minute structure. So where is low? Low is here. Why this low? Because this low has been taken out of the previous recent low, correct? So this lows are confirmed and this is high here. And if market ranging between this high or low, as I told you in video session, that if market ranging between high or low, bullish or bearish doesn't matter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So price must be come back here, because this is a zone when we can take buy entry, and this low act like a inducement,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
If market trading below this, then you can take a risk for the buy. And this is a ranging market. There is no need to do anything, buy or sell, no. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Brother, can I have one question, brother?
Yeah, sure.
What things you do when you sit in the morning in the charts? I mean, what you're doing to open? I mean, what I can say, what the things are you doing while doing starting a trade, brother? I mean, what time frame from 4 hours or 1 hour, or what are you doing in the morning?
Okay. On a forex.
Okay. Yeah, and forex, brother. I'm forex. I'm not
Okay.
asking about.
Which pair you trade mostly?
I'm following you. I'm following only GBBUS, just like you.
Okay, great. Actually, first thing, 4-hour time frame and daily time frame, I use only in a week of the starting, like Monday. Then I can mark the major high, major demand and supply level, that which in this week when market can go higher and lower. But mainly I focus on the 15-minute structure. Okay, because 15-minute structure is enough for the day to take any trades. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't need to focus on higher time frame. If you are a swing trader, right, then you can go a higher time frame, like weekly, 4-hour and daily. If you are executing your position at least 15 minute, 30 minute and 1 hour. Okay, then you can switch into the daily 4-hour. Correct. Because for example, if you are considering this is a 4-hour, correct? Let me do it first. You mark this structure is this one is our lower low and this is a lower high, correct? And this one is our clear break of structure, correct? And after this break of structure, where is our lower low? Is here, because this high has been taken out, correct? So this low is confirmed. So now you can see where we have a multiple opportunity for the sell. First, as you know, after taking out the first high, we can sell. Market close below, we have a chance for the sell, correct? And another, some people mark this is order block, this one is an extreme order block, and this one is also order block, because this is an engineering liquidity. Okay, but remember thing, if you are waiting for the mitigation, this move, correct? So look at how many days it's take to complete this move. Then you will switch into 15 minute, then again switch into 1 minute. It's like a long process. You are a day trader, you don't need to wait for it. You have to apply your chart in a 15 minute as a major higher structure. Okay, if same thing is here, okay, if you are looking at the 4-hour, there is no opportunity still. If you switch into the 15 minute, then you can see multiple opportunity here for the buyers and sells, correct?
Yes, fine, brother. I got it.
Yeah, this is a trend line, liquidity, break, retailer's trap, and then buy. Okay, so next question. Who wanna ask next question?
I think a lot of people are lost on the fact that the internal structure between the major structure. So they kind of marked it up wrong. The internal, the little small pullbacks. I think sometimes it gets confusing for a lot. To see if it's really a pullback, if the internal structure actually took out the previous candle for it to be a pullback for the minor structure. So I think a lot of people are having a little difficulty with that.
Okay, look at here. Let me explain it in a simple. Okay, first thing is a lower low is here. As you can see here, market pushing downside. Okay, then what happened? Market taken out the recent high. Okay, after taking out this recent high, this low is a confirm, correct? And then what happened? Market create new lower high after break this structure, and that's called break of structure. Okay, so most of the time people get confused that in a, as you said, in a internal structure and measure structure. So after break this structure, this low is a confirm is here when market taken out the first high, which is here, correct? So most probably we are anticipating pushing downside. Okay, but what happened? Market break this structure, and this one after close above it, not this one. This week is just liquidity sweep, correct? After close above it, market actually turned bearish to bullish. Okay, so in this case, this become our new break of structure, correct? And this one is a break of structure. So where is our main higher high? Okay, after close above it, you can see market continue pushing higher high and create new high is here. Why this high is confirmed? Because market takes the recent low. Okay, that's why this high is confirmed. And as you can see here, after broken this structure, there is no low broken in a downside. This high is a confirm and this low is a confirm. So between this high or low is the internal structure. Okay, and people get trapped here. They're looking here for sell because they expect choke, and some people buy here on this level because they mark this is a boss is here. Okay, they mark this is a boss, but in reality this is a not boss. As you know, this is a single move. Take the structure like this. Okay, so this demand is not actually demand, and some people mark this as a boss and people looking for buy, anticipating go higher. Then what happened? Market break this zone, and now people are anticipating here for sell because they are thinking that market is extremely bearish in a higher time frame, and this demand has been broken, and they again looking for sell is here in this zone. And then again trap, market reaction. This is a called smart money trap. What happened? Same thing happened here, and market again push higher. Okay,
सर एक क्वेश्चन था सर यहाँ पे
yeah.
कि सर जैसे इसने यहाँ पे ब्रेक करा सर, तो
ठीक
ये
है।
तो माइनर स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ भी तो ब्रेक किया सर पहला, तो ये मेरा एक्चुअली तो ये पुश से ये पुश होना चाहिए ना सर स्ट्रक्चर। दैट मीन्स कि ये मेरा जैसे ब्रेक हुआ वीएस हुआ इस जगह पे, देन
Actually, okay, look at here. Market did not close above it. Market must be close above it.
then after sir, then after he break minor structure here.
Yeah, this is an inducement for this move. This one.
Okay sir.
Market
that means-
taken out, this go again higher.
हाँ तो सर दैट मीन्स ये हायर लो हुआ मेरा, ये हायर लो हुआ फिर।
No, no, no. This is not higher low. This is a single move. Is here. Actually, this is our counter trend. This move.
ओके सर।
Okay, so any more question? So everyone watch entire videos, like 5 parts.
Yes.
Okay, great. How it's looking?
Amazing.
Okay.
Yes, I did. But it's really very informative. I never seen this kind of videos before. Seriously, I was start by wrong every time when I get into the different community. I thought I was start by very wrong. I mean wrong by the other. I mean fake mentors. Seriously, when I came here, I know that only came to know that this is the real market structure. I got some confusion on it, but this is really amazing for me. Thanks for that honest video, brother.
Thank you. Welcome.
Everything is good except the lesson number 5. Entries are too much complicated. We need more practicing about this.
Exactly. It's look because it's look complicated because you have never seen like this entry. That's why it's look complicated, because you know all about chalk boss only. Correct. That's why it's looking very different. But
Brother,
once,
if you don't mind, can you please do one more video about the entry types, brother? Because
exactly. I will.
It is very new for me. I can't understand your entries. That's why I'm asking the.
No problem.
Type 2 or type 3 are very difficult for us. Sometimes you are saying like if one candle is sweep by the next candle, you can take the other entry like you're saying like that, but it's not easy as like it's really difficult for us as a newcomer. Please try to make 1 or 2 or more videos, brother, for entry types.
Exactly.
Just one video is enough for us. Just one video is enough for us, please.
I will. Because it's a very different from others, because everyone I have seen a lot of community. Okay, because I spent a lot of money to join community starting in 5 years I'm trading, and join a lot of course. Okay, even more than $10,000, because in a starting I spent 1 Ethereum fee to just learning about support test and RSI overbought oversold in a starting as a new guy. Okay, so
too much.
Everyone actually I've watched big players name, and they teach only RSI overbought oversold, this strategy, EMA, moving average, support, resistance. Okay, but actually they sold their course, but they don't teach you exactly what they are doing. Everyone making money, even big player making money, but they don't teach you exactly what they are doing. Okay. In this industry, everyone trading based on a boss chalk or the block. Everyone told you this is a boss and this is a chalk. Okay, but in reality, what they are doing, they will never teach you exactly what they are doing. Some people know, but some people don't know that. They don't never know that you can make money, and because they can't reveal his strategy actually. If you ask,
I know that, brother. I know that. Seriously, I know that. After seeing, I never listened to other community. I've been nearly 2 or 3 more communities. I never listened to them. Seriously, thanks for this.
Actually,
brother, I know.
If you ask them that how did you catch this entry, they will give you explanation anything, that this is a boss and this was this and this was, that's why they take, but they will never teach you exactly what they taken.
Khan sir. Sir, Khan sir, please, here I am confused, sir, in structure. Please again explain it.
Which one?
सर जो अभी जस्ट मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले आपसे जो पूछा था ये वाला, ये थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है मेरे लिए सर, थोड़ा सा एक बार फिर से बता देंगे थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे जो मैंने आपसे अभी पूछा था.
Actually, देखो, look at here, this high, I mean you mark this one, no?
Yes sir.
Okay, actually this is move here, correct? So in this case, this low is taken out, so this high and this low is a confirm. And look at the left side, what happened? Same thing happened here. Market taken out this low, and that it means this high, okay, and this low is a confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this move like this. Okay.
Yes sir.
That's why market taken out the major low is here. Actually, major low is here, not here. Okay. You can sell here. If market break this low, we can sell till this zone. This is to set target, but actual low is here. Okay, that's why market taken out this low and go higher, because this is a smart money trap. As for us, this is our inducement, because this is our first low, actual low, and this move is our between this high or low. Okay, when market broke this low, we can sell till this level. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And when you're selling, that's on the lower time frame, correct? The 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so next question. If you want, you can ask me, because this and one more thing. And next week, I will start everything, as I mentioned in our Discord, that some trades, setups, markups, probably signals, and trade recap. Okay, in upcoming weeks, we will start back testing everything and homework. Okay, quiz,
sir.
everything, because I wanna boost your trading skill, that how you can actually you can catch move, which I mentioned in our courses, that how you can catch move. I will train you exactly like me. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, we start by easy tasks, and after you can make them so difficult.
Mm-hmm. Someone asked me. Yes, when a market stuck, most of the signals will be post pending order, and I will not post signal only 1 minute time frame, because 1 minute time frame is not possible to share signal and not possible for you to execution. That's why I will take at least 5 minute time frame, and probably I will post 3 to 5 signals a week, but mainly focus on to provide you education to that how you can take advantage of the rates, because I'm posting signal because you are a new and it will help you to learn something. That's why I will post, and after some time maybe it's will be less. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Pari. So there is any more question you can ask me, and then I will. If there is any question, you can ask me. Then I can finish the session, and probably tomorrow there is no session because Eid festival. So
Yes,
I will
sir.
not able to.
Yes,
Yeah.
can I ask one question? Please don't mistake me.
Yeah.
Do you follow ICT's breaker blocks and something like
No,
this?
no. Actually, no. Actually, when I starting learning SMC, then I hear about ICT. When I study about ICT, they are very difficult for me. I did not get any point that how they mark structure, how they mark order block. But some people are trade based on ICT, but I don't, because not suitable for me.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why
Sorry for asking the just clarification. If that's why.
Mhm.
Sorry for asking that.
No, it's okay. But I don't use ICT any
Yes, sir.
concept. Even
ICT is very hard, sir. जब भी देखता हूँ नींद आ जाता है.
yeah, it's a very in a deep explanation, like 4 hours, 3 hours, single video, which is really.
Okay, brother. Because sometimes market doing like this, like breaker blocks, they are respecting the breaker blocks like that. That's why I'm asking that, brother. So right, thank you so much, brother. Sorry for asking this.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Because they trade based on the some breakers and premium discount OTE based entry.
Yeah.
And
I never see you're using a premium discount levels. That's why I'm asking that. I never seen like
yeah. And session breaker, kill zone. That's actually I studied the all things, but after this, that I taken out the after this learning this all thing, when I decided that everything is liquidity. Why? Because if you are taking entry based on the session high or low anything, then very highly probability you have a 50% probability, because maybe you win, maybe you lose. So why this is actually working or not? And some people trade based on the ASEAN session high or low. Sometimes it's a work as per the plan, but sometimes not work. If actually sessions low or high is a work, then why not working most of the time? Okay. But I made it very easy for everyone, that everyone can understand that how things actually work. You don't need to focus on multiple things, that this is a something is here, this session low, this is a weekly high, low, anything. But I made it very in a simple way, that then everyone can learn in a easy to understand way.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't want to give in a different and very difficult, because I can also make a 20-30 parts and can make a 14-hour 15 hours lecture to you, but there are not sense for me.
It's too bad, too bad. I watch too much videos, but it's complicated.
Yeah.
We cannot
you are a
understand
master,
the video
you
of
are
10
a master
hours.
in it.
Make it easy, please.
Mm-hmm.
He's already simplified it, brother. He's already simplified the code.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's good like that.
Yeah.
Guys, for me now, it's Eid Tabaski. In Pakistan, no?
I don't know.
He's asking about
Okay.
Eid, brother.
Yeah, Mr. Khan, I got a question.
You can.
Hello, Mr. Khan.
Yes.
Yeah, I confused about the entry tab. Sometime when I want to mark the chart and I need to get an entry, I see my behind is the two point of interest, maybe imbalance gap or something. But the one I want to think the market will come there and go continue. Sometimes it's not coming. He kick me out the market. That's why I wanted to know if, like now, I want to take a buy trade and I see my area is the 2 point of interest. Maybe I see imbalance gap or some of liquidity or unmitigated OP. How I want to choose, that's my problem.
Okay. Let me explain here. So in this case, most of the time, when you get multiple order block, correct?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
so most probably you will be get confused which order block you should use, and because both of them have a proper imbalance order block, clean order block, everything, correct?
Yeah.
So you are probably stuck here. If I take here, then market push again higher, and then again continue push downside, correct? So as I mentioned in a part 5, that entry types, price must be taken out the liquidity before the entry. Okay, if there is in a left side, correct, if market moves something like this here, okay, so in this case this entry is become a valid right here, but you don't need to sell here directly. Why? Because we have another zone for the sell, correct? So you have to apply same thing in a lower time frame, in a switch into the 1 minute, then see how price is reacting here. If price reacting as per our entry criteria, type 1, type 2, type 3, then you can sell here. If not, then you have to wait for the mitigation this zone, correct? If price not mitigate here and something like here is a link engineering liquidity, correct, and then what happened, market push higher and taken out this high and maybe sweep or close then you have to apply same thing entry type 1 and type 2, type 3. Correct. Then you can sell. Price must be taken out the liquidity before the sell or buy. Okay. If same thing happening in a 1 minute, correct, then you have to wait for the confirmation. For example, if same thing happening here in a 1 minute, and this zone is our 1 minute, and something mitigated here in a 5 higher time frame, and this one is a 1 minute, correct, then you have to wait for the first high taken out, then candlestick closer, and then you can entry, candle closer entry and candle sweep entry. Okay, single candle order block mitigation entry.
I wanna show you one pair. And did you trade the gold? Yeah, and what is happening yesterday gold? I wanna show you.
Okay.
I marked for 15-minute 2 point of interest. Yeah, you see, I was waiting here because they are. I see the unmitigated OB this side, and this side. I was waiting the trade here to come. Wait, I wanted to mark for the. Yeah.
In this case.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. In this case, yeah. And first, I was waiting to take a little shot for buy, and my exit was here for the higher of Asian range. But my point was that side, and 1764. I was waiting the market must come this side and come down, push down, but it's not coming.
Actually, you can see here, first thing, in a downside, market taken out the liquidity and close above it. So when market taken out high or low and close above or below it, this is a first indication for the reversal. If in a various market close taken out this high, low, and close above it, so this is an indication for the reversal. So first zone is here when we can target. If you are looking here for buy in a 1 minute, looking any good setup for the buy, you can target here, and next is here, correct?
Okay.
In this case, what happened? Market taken out this high but did not close above it. Also same thing happened here, price close below it, then we can sell here. If market gonna lower, then we can win. If market gonna higher, then we can also win because we are in buy, and that's in this case we can hedge. Okay, but sometime what happened, you did not catch this move. Okay, we are maybe you are not able to watch this move. Okay, and sometime you can catch this move. You can sell here and trailing your stop loss, and maybe you can take some partial and move your stop loss on a break even, correct? And then you can, if market actually wanna go higher, then at least you can make some money, and then you can buy here. If look, everything is fine as per your plan, you can buy, because market taking out the liquidity in a downside and expecting price go higher, because this is another zone where we can sell, correct? But this is actually not order block. Actually order block is here. This is not order block. This is a smart money trap. Why? Order block is here.
Okay.
Why? Because this one is our engineering liquidity. Correct. This point is our engineering liquidity, and this one, this move was our inducement. Correct. Why? That's why this one is not order block. This is smart money trap. And when market tap here, okay, here, and then give some little bit reaction, and then again push higher, and then actual move happen here.
Okay.
Okay.
I understand.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
हेलो
या
सर बीटीसी का चार्ट थोड़ा दिखा सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल, बीटीसी USD
मैं थोड़ा ड्राइंग किया है, मैं देखना चाहता हूँ आपके तरह हुआ क्या सर 15 मिनट में.
Okay, first let me show you in a 1 minute. Sorry, 1 hour.
सर एक्चुअली एक क्वेश्चन था.
Yes.
जो 4 आवर में है ना,
Mm-hmm.
पूरा स्पाइक था, तो पूरा स्पाइक को पकड़ो ना, 1 आवर में थोड़ा ऊपर था. 4 आवर में देखो,
Okay.
अगर मैं फुल स्पाइक को पकड़ लिया तो मतलब एग्जीक्यूट हुआ है,
In a
टच
4
किया
hour.
है.
Yeah. Actually, look at here in a left side. First, delete this thing. Actually, in a 4 hour, market is still not creating any lower low. Why? Because market did not take any high. If you are looking perspective of the 4 hour, correct? First, delete it. You can see here, this is a low and this is our lower high. I'm talking about this minor structure. Then market break this low, correct? After break this low, market create new low and new lower high. Again break this low. So before the confirmation, confirm low, market must be taken out the recent high. Where is our recent high? Is here, correct? Once market taken out this high, then this low is become confirm as per the 4 hour. Okay. But same thing when you look at the 1 hour, correct? Then you can see a different story. Let me show you. Now look at the left side in a 1 hour. In a 1 hour structure, this low is here and this one is a broken, correct?
Yeah.
And again, this one break, okay? And then you can see here, market taken out the first high, which is here. Okay. This is an internal structure. And then market create as per the 1 hour, this is a confirm high. Sorry, confirm low. Correct. And in this case, here. So measure high or low in a 1 hour is here.
सर 4 आवर पे एक बार स्विच करना सर आप.
Okay.
चार्ट सर अगर चार्ट दूसरा देगा तो सही होता, इस
सर
चार्ट
ये
पे नहीं गया.
ये वाला सर ये तो ब्रेक किया था ना सर.
हम्म.
ये तो सर ब्रेक किया था ना.
ये जो होता ना, ये आपका इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर है.
अच्छा.
ये इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर इस मूव का है, करेक्ट? और हम जब व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट मेजर स्ट्रक्चर, देन दिस हाई एंड दिस लो इज आवर मेजर, like this, correct? Because this move can be marked if this move taken out this low, because this move doesn't taken out this low.
Okay.
Like this, okay? Then we can consider this as our confirm low.
Brother, can you please switch it to the 1 hour time frame, brother?
Sure.
I'm asking the same doubt.
Okay.
Seriously, I'm also the same doubt, brother.
Okay. Yeah.
How do you confirm this is a high, brother? This one.
This one?
Yeah, exactly. That's one, brother.
Because this high has been taken out, because this high taken out this low. If same thing happen here, for example, here, like this, okay, then this case is not valid, because market must be close below it. Okay.
Yeah, got it, brother. Got it.
Okay. Thank you. In a 4 hour, it's not close below it. Okay, that's why this is an internal structure between this high or low.
Yes.
Look at here. This is internal structure for this high or low. Okay, if market broke this low, correct? So this low is a confirm until this high, because market is still bearish. Once market tap on this supply zone, correct, then we can see a downside move. Okay, because in a bearish market, we are in a bearish market. So once market tap here, then I would like to sell here. Okay. Correct. And then market, you can see market creating liquidity.
Liquidity. Yes. बट सर दूसरा चार्ट में ना 4 आवर में टच कर लिया है.
Maybe, but you have to follow any chart, and it's depend on you which exchange you are looking for the chart. Like this
सर
is a
अगर
Bitstamp.
मैं
Yeah,
सर अगर 15 मिनट में इधर जाओ तो कैसे ट्रेड करना है?
you have to switch into 15-minute. Must be taken out the low before the buy or sell. This low has been taken out, which is very good.
Yes.
Okay, and this order flow when we already tap here, which is great.
Okay.
Okay, yes, we can buy here. Then market showing reaction and pushing higher high, and market creating liquidity. Same thing happening here. Market break this structure. This one is a called chalk or boss. Then market again taking out this low. Okay, and then what
Okay.
happened? Tap on this order block and then again go higher, push higher. This low again taken out. After break this structure, then we can again continue. Price must be taken out below. Okay, buy after taking out the low, sell after taking out the high. Remember two things in your mind. If market is a bearish, okay, if market is a bearish, okay, then always sell after taking out the high. You will get major move. You will catch major move for the sell. Correct. And same thing apply in a Y. When market is a bullish, then Y always taking out this low. You will get this move. You can catch this actual move. Okay. Because market trap all these buyers and sellers here. Someone buying here, putting this stop loss just below it, and someone selling here because this one is called break of structure.
Boss. Okay.
Correct. So always follow this rule. This is a very helpful. Okay. Yeah. Simple thing is structure plus liquidity equal to high probability setup.
सर मैं आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि सर वो जो अभी स्ट्रक्चर पे सर जो थोड़ा सा डाउट हो रहा है ना, मतलब थोड़ा सा
Yes.
सर उसमें थोड़ा सा डिटेल्स में अगर आप जब भी आप फ्री होंगे एक बार सर थोड़ा डिटेल्स में इसका एक बना दीजिएगा ना.
Okay, okay, no problem. I will make a separate video about structure, which will help you a lot. Okay.
Yes sir, thank you sir.
And a lot of video are on the way, and it's take a few days, few weeks, because now I will upload after a few days, maybe 2-3 days. I will be upload continue. Okay, as per your request. Okay, as per your demand.
बस वही प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है सर कि जिससे कहीं कहीं पे ना तो माइनर स्ट्रक्चर को ना हम लोग कंसीडर कर ले रहे हैं कि वो माइनर स्ट्रक्चर ब्रेक हो गया तो मेरा ये लो है या मेरा हाई है. ये वो मेरे से थोड़ा सा.
No problem.
Thank you sir.
Okay, so any more question?
Yes, Master Khan.
Yes.
It's me again. And sometimes when I get the chalk and change of market, I see, yes, the market is going back again and pushing high to, I don't know. That entry, I think, is risk entry for chalk. Yeah, because when I try to put a pending order, I see he hit my stop loss also.
Okay.
Like actually, when I wanted to sell and I get the chalk, and the same time I try to make a pending order, and I see the market, I'm almost to go out.
Okay.
Yeah.
For example, you are selling here, and then market hit this stop loss and pushing downside like this. This is a lower time frame. So same thing happening here with you, or different story? Yes, please.
Sorry. Hello, Master.
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing happened to me.
Okay. That's why I'm asking you. So same
Yeah.
thing happening with you means you
Yeah.
are selling here
Yes.
and putting this stop loss just to it, and then market gives some reaction and then push downside.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
And so these things happening on your demand supply zone or in a where?
Supply zone.
Okay. Means, for example, on the 15-minute supply zone, correct? In a left
Yeah.
side, for example, this is a 15-minute supply. Correct. And this thing happened with you. You are selling here
Yeah.
and putting this. Okay. So,
Yeah.
okay, no problem. Actually, in this case, you have to remember two things. First is structure is a bearish or not. In a lower time frame, structure must be in a bearish. If market tap on any supply zone, correct, this is a bearish structure. So price must be taken out the first low, which is first sign for the reversal, and then don't sell here. Okay, don't sell here because market must be taken out the liquidity in a lower time frame also before the sell. So in this case, there is no liquidity confirmation. So you have to wait for the liquidation. So what happened? How market create liquidity? There are 2-3 types. First is market create new low has been taken out this, and then this high act like an inducement, and now we can sell here, and this will be our high probability entry for the sell, and most of the chances your trade gone in your profit. Okay. And if sometime what happened, market taken out this high, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So if market did not create like this move, then you have to wait for this market sweep this high, this maybe order block, taken out this order block, then you can continue sell. And this will be also high probability entry, and you can multiple sell here. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
That would be the one candle mitigation sweep, and then one candle entry. Is that correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Single candle mitigation and single candle sweep also.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Okay. So any more question you can ask me, and then I will finish this session and I will upload on the Discord. Then you can watch it later if you wish. And the tomorrow there is no session because Eid festival, so I will not able to. That's why I host the session on this day, Saturday. So from Monday, I will be back in the Discord completely. You will get everything like markup, signals, videos, and everything. Okay.
Hey, Khan. Say I want to catch the bottom of Bitcoin, right? And I want to be a long-term investor on Bitcoin only.
Okay.
What's the time frame I would like to look at as far as would it be the weekly and entry be the daily, or how would that work?
Okay. So if you are a long-term investor, like if you are holding Bitcoin for the 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, okay, then you have to watch at least start from the monthly perspective, because once you understand that where is trend going on and when we can buy, because monthly chart is very necessary if you are holding your trades for the at least 1 years. Okay. So now look, I think there is no data. So BTC USDT. I don't know. I think there is no data available on Binance. I don't know where is,
Do the 1 month.
I think, don't know.
They're all same, I think.
Okay. Okay. Now, okay, you can start with weekly also. So let me give you some explanation about Bitcoin, what happening here right now. So right now, Bitcoin in a bearish market, but at this point, market showing some reaction and we are expecting some pullback to the upside, correct? So where we can buy and sell and where is for the longer term view in Bitcoin. So first thing is here, you have to understand in a left side. First, look at the left side. Market create new high is here. This was all-time high in 2017. And then what happened? Market must be taken out the recent low or recent order block, recent liquidity before go higher. If market actually wanna go higher, okay? So where was our first order block? Is here in this case, correct? Then what happened? Market taken out this all liquidity, and this is also support and resistance type of liquidity because everyone buying here and including me, all I introduced here in a Bitcoin. I think here, roughly here. I introduced here in a Bitcoin, and this was zone where I hold Bitcoin, and this point was when I sold my all Bitcoin, and then market push higher. And then I quit. I sold I remember $3,300. I sold my Bitcoin here on the lowest point. Yeah, roughly
That time
here.
was knowledge. I think that time was no knowledge.
So yeah, so same thing happened here because at this point I know all about supply demand, RSI overbought, oversold. I was trading like this. So I think this is a demand and broken, and now Bitcoin gonna more downside. But what happened? Opposite. Market taking all the liquidity. Actually, at this point, everyone trying to buy, expecting price go higher, and someone marking this one, so trend like patterns and breakout and go higher. And this candle making in front of me. So everyone looking for the go higher. But this is actually taken out the liquidity for the buyers. Okay. And then what happened? Market push downside, taken out the all liquidity and then go higher. And same thing happened here. Market taken out this liquidity, this order block, and then go higher. And again, what happening here right now? Same picture is here. Market break this structure and taken out this low, and this low is not simple low. This is actually liquidity. And I most of the time update in our Telegram channel that this is our liquidity, and most of the traders buying here, and people get trapped here. And then what happened? Market swing direction and then push downside because everyone buying here. And same thing happening here. And after taking out this all liquidity, we can expect price go higher. Okay, so I'm expecting price go higher, and at this point, why I said this point is more valid for the buy, because this is order block which took the liquidity, taken out the previous low, correct? So that's why market showing some reaction here. So price must be taken out this high before the go downside, this one, and this one is engineering liquidity, and this high or low is responsible for this move actually. Okay, and if market break this high, okay, and then return back in a downside, then market go again in a deeper. If market taken out this high and then push downside, then market push will be go more downside. Okay, so this is a story for the Bitcoin. At this point, we can buy, take a risk for the buy. Okay, 1 month, 2 month. I'm sorry, I was wrong. Now, actually, I was looking 12-month chart. That's why I'm thinking that 2-3 candles. Now it's very fine. Look at the monthly chart. This is a low taken out in the left side. This is a first order block, which is here. So price in upcoming days, in upcoming, weeks, months, we can see here at $12,000. When price came back at $12,000, then you can buy and hold for the next few years, maybe 2 years, 3 years, because it's take a lot of time to complete a cycle. Okay. And next time, I hope Bitcoin will hit 100K. I hope.
यस सर, लेवल अच्छा वाला लेवल बता देना सर, जहाँ समझ
Yeah, man, as $12,000.
Mr. Khan, excuse
Yeah.
me. Can
Yeah.
you give us the same chart on Ethereum? Because I want to buy
Yeah,
something
sure.
now.
Ethereum.
I don't know if $1,200 is a good price or not, or I need to wait some time.
Yeah, same story with Ethereum. Market taken out this low. The
Okay.
inducement. And this is a tiny order block is here, which is around $500. Wow. Okay.
So we need to wait.
Yeah, exactly. And maybe market takes some pullback to the upside before go downside. Market needs some fuel before go downside or upside. Okay. Market can't go lower because everyone buying here. Okay. When market push higher, then manipulators can sell. Okay. First they create FOMO, then market push downside and upside. When everyone will be panic in a bloodbath in everywhere, then market push trying to go higher. Like first go higher, then market create hope for the retailers. Then what happened? Again push downside to mitigate this order block. Correct. And then what happened? Go higher and it's take a little bit time. Okay.
Okay.
Same thing
Okay.
happen here.
Good.
Actually,
I will wait. So.
Yeah. Actually, I'm not saying as per the like randomly. It's you can see in a previous history also. Market must be taken out the high or low before go. You can see here. Same thing happen here. This inducement, and then what happened? Market have this order block and price, and now you can see market hit the $1,400, and then came back to the $100. Nobody imagined that Ethereum will be drop below the $100, and then market push higher. Okay, so it's all about technical analysis.
Okay, clear. Thank you.
Yeah, Bitcoin at $12,000 and Ethereum $500 for the longer term perspective.
Correct.
Yeah.
This is why it's so important to learn liquidity and market structure.
Exactly. Correct. Liquidity, that's why liquidity is very important.
Very.
All right, guys. So anyone, any question you can ask me, then I will finish the session.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, what was the entry time frame for that for Bitcoin? What would be the entry time frame for Bitcoin? The turnaround point?
For the investment purpose or for the like trading? because
For the investment purposes.
so you don't need to wait for the any entry time frame confirmation. When price tap here, you can randomly buy here. If price maybe below drop little bit lower, then you can hold because you are an investor. So
Correct.
imagine here, if somebody buy here, they are still holding. Okay, but you are buying at huge discount, so you can you can you can also hold because you are better than this one. Imagine who bought here. Okay, they are still holding.
All right, thank you.
Okay, guys. So thank you guys for the attend this session. I hope you learn a lot of new things, and this session will be continue in upcoming weeks. Okay.
All right, sounds good.
All
Thank
right.
you, Master.
Okay. Have a nice day. Good night and happy weekend.
Same to you, Khan.
Thank you.